sometimes you have to come in from the other direction. Turn it that way to get down into that a little closer. There you go. Oops, just back in the video. Yeah, just hit every little area you can hit with that easily.
And is it okay if I go like that on the blade or
no?
no?
Don't. You won't need to do that on the
Okay,
blade.
got it.
Just do all the other areas. When you think you're done with that blade, we'll go on to the next one.
Yeah, that's the next one.
Yeah, let's go ahead and close that one up.
Hands cramping up and holding the knife like that.
Yep. And if there's any oil on there, just wipe it. Just do the same thing with that blade.
Yeah. I did a whole bunch. I was trying to get in there and it like sprayed me all over the face.
Yep.
It's looking good though. I'm not done yet, but you want to look at that.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes I had my hand on the.
We're not going to polish it up to like a mirror finish.
This is just guys that use when
we just want to make it
need a knife.
Look a little nicer and usable again.
Yeah. At least it's kind of opening now. Like.
Yeah.
And I can use the metal brush in that scaling too.
Yeah, we'll do that after we're done with the blade. Yep.
Right there, next blade.
Okay.
It smells a little better now. I think that looks good. Can I block out one of the blades or no?
Can you what?
Have them.
I'll take it.
So. That looks a lot better now.
Good. Yeah. Let me see what we got here. And you did all the bolsters already with the.
Yeah, here I'm gonna go back over those again. Here, will you
Okay.
put this thing back on there?
Mm-hmm.
Now that I got all the blades shut, I need to go back over like that area.
Yeah, you
Like
can
right
take.
there.
I tell you what, use the wire brush for that because it can get down in there. That won't get down in
Okay.
there. And again, you know, it's spinning this way,
Yeah.
so you want it to kind of go like that. You don't want to go
Yeah, the
the
other
other
way.
direction because it'll try to
Flop itself out.
hop out of there. But you'll figure it out. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get that first setting. Oops, I guess I need to start the timer on there. I'm cleaning up the Victorinox that I got off of eBay.
Okay. I'm gonna open up all these blades again.
Okay, again, you know, use a rag there if you wanna, don't feel comfortable. And that wire brush can get down in there too if you want,
That's what I'm gonna do.
down
Just
in
in a second.
the channel. Use, Parker, use a rag.
I was pushing right here on the
I know, but
flat
if
part.
if your thumb slips,
True.
yeah, okay.
I'm gonna get on this metal edge here.
Okay, well, just be careful. That's what this is good for.
Yeah.
But you can go down inside a little bit, and that'll clean up some of the gunk on the sides. Metal,
Knocks me right in the forehead.
yeah, those metal things can fly off, so that's why the goggles too. Safety first.
And now let's swap it out.